If you are currently renting, you are already paying a mortgage every single month. It just happens to be your landlord's mortgage, not yours. You are effectively building someone else's wealth, while your own hard-earned money disappears. But I know that escaping the rental cycle feels impossible when you are trying to save for a down payment while rent prices keep climbing. That is exactly why I am releasing a game-changing tool today, designed specifically to help you bridge the gap between signing a lease and signing a deed. I am launching a brand new app dedicated to turning renters into homeowners by helping you track your progress, build your financial profile, and get ready to buy much faster than you thought possible. You don't have to wait years to get into the market. You just need the right roadmap and the right technology backing you up. Click the link in the description right now to download my app for free and start your journey toward homeownership today. At lower mortgage rates, we are not just giving you advice, we are giving you the actual tools to change your financial future. Subscribe and download the app now, because your dream home is closer than you think.